my Metric Maths Made Easy YouTube channel. Video number 73, functions and graphs, still in introduction. So now we introduce another variable, y. Say y equals to mx plus c. Or say y is equal to a function of x. Yeah? That is function of x. Now, previous video, when I talked about the expressions mx plus c, mind you, on an expression mx plus c, you're not required to solve mx plus c. You're not required to solve for x. But because x is actually an element of real numbers, so this expression mx plus c is valid for all x values element of real numbers. And you remember, if you recall, I said this x, we represent it on a horizontal number line. Yeah? The original number line. To 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. Got negative 1, got negative 2, negative 3, negative 5, negative, etc. So this x, only mx plus c, is actually the element of real numbers. Now this y, which we say now is a function of x. Yeah. So the y is actually the vertical axis. So this one, you say x-axis, say original number line, and then it's on the horizontal axis. Now, what we do is we rotate the original number line along the origin, along 0, 90 degrees. So to get the y. So this is y, we call it the y-axis. And then this one comes, we rotate it, yeah? We rotate this 2, comes here. So this is a 2, this is a 1. Similarly, this negative 1 along the origin, we rotate it here. So you get your negative 1 there, and then the 2, negative 2, you get your negative 2 there. So the y-axis or the y values are actually now the deduced values. We have rotated the original number line 90 degrees anti-clockwise. 90 degrees anti-clockwise. To get your y, yeah? And then now, you see all the positive values of y now are here. And all the negative values of y are here. Because negative values of x are there, so they are rotated anti-clockwise. Yeah, 90 degrees anti-clockwise there. And then now, here on the y-axis, you get your x equals to 0. Anywhere on this line on the y-axis, x is equal to 0. Similarly, anywhere on this line, the horizontal line, x-axis, y is equal to 0. So in all my future presentation of the x and y axis on the Cartesian plane, this is a Cartesian plane, yeah, this is a Cartesian plane. So the y, the deduced y, which is a function of x, and then the x, yeah, is the original, and the y is deduced from y. So y is a function of x equals to mx plus c. So I'll do the example in the next video.